In part 3 of my favourite places to photograph in Glencoe, Scotland, I'll be taking you to a couple of stunning waterfalls and a great location to shoot the incredible Pap of Glencoe. We'll first visit the Devil's Cauldron. You want to head down to the A82 and park at the King's House Hotel. To get to the waterfall, walk the path from the car park, and as you approach the brow of the path, cut across the grasses if you're heading to the main road. The waterfall runs over some beautifully coloured and jagged rock ledges. One of the times I visited, I managed to get there just as the light was going down. As you can see in the picture, it's a great composition with those mountains in the background. For these shots, I used my Canon 16-35mm lens. Getting back onto the A82 now, we'll head to the second waterfall. It's at the foot of the Three Sisters and it can be easily missed as you drive through the glen. It's a really busy road, so the safest place to park is at the main car park. The water is so clear here and I managed to get the perfect conditions with the water flowing at just the right pace. The last time I visited, it was totally different though, as there had been so much rain as you can see here. I'll put a link to the video, you can see it on screen now. For our final destination, we'll go to the Bolish Bridge to photograph the incredible Pap of Glencoe. The bridge links the villages of South Bolish and North Bolish, and it opened in 1975, replacing the ferry. Now, many landscape photographers compose their shots from the shoreline, which works really well, but I wanted to try something a little bit different, so I headed to the bridge. We can see the Pap here along Loch Leven. This spot forms part of the classic view of the entrance to Glencoe. The bridge is a great vantage point to get a panoramic image, so that's what I did here, using my 100-400mm lens. I'll put the shot up now. As you can see, there are great views to be had on the opposite side of the bridge too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.